Beyond these gates lies a world where every detail is a testament to luxury and every space is a canvas of sophistication.
Welcome to Upper Arlington, where the prestige is as timeless as it is tangible. Team HBC will be your guide on this luxury adventure. Step inside to be embraced by the home that radiates elegance with its expansive rooms, intricate molding, and warm wood floors that echo with stories of time-honored grace.
Center stage is the kitchen, a chef's paradise with an island as grand as a banquet table. Let's check out more of the first floor.
Windows don't just frame the view, they celebrate it.
The custom-paneled first floor office offers privacy.
With the newly added sidewalks, Quarry Metro Park is just a short hop away, an extension of your estate's magnificence. This estate at 2470 West Lane Avenue is what $2.35 million can buy, and it's waiting for the new owner to call it home.
Rain, shine, sleet or snow, we're here for your real estate adventures. Let's go!